Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Sega Mega Drive on modern TV. Firstly, connect one end of the HDMI cable to your Sega Genesis console. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your TV. If your TV has multiple HDMI inputs, use any one that isn't already in use. Plug the Sega 2103 power supply into the power input of your Sega Genesis. Plug the other end of the power supply into a wall outlet. If the HDMI box may require external power, it could get power directly from the Sega Genesis, but in most cases, you'll need to plug a micro USB cable into the HDMI box and connect it to a separate USB power supply. Take a small end of the micro USB cable and plug it into the HDMI box. Plug the other end to a USB charger. Then plug the charger into the wall outlet to supply power to the HDMI box. Before turning on the system, use the switch on the HDMI box to choose the display ratio, and make sure to set this before powering up the system. Insert your Sega Genesis game into the console, power it up, and start playing. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.